Welcome to the wonderful realm of AI and technology, where the potential to turn GPT-3 and ChatGPT into profitable opportunities awaits. In this rapidly growing region, to remain at the forefront of the curve. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on the many avenues you can explore, from creating thrilling stories to pioneering AI-powered gaming experiences. So, fasten your seatbelts and join us on this exciting journey into the future. And remember, by subscribing to this channel and enjoying it, you're diving headfirst into the innovation process with us. Content creation. The multifaceted capabilities of GPT-3 extend to aiding in the generation of high-quality content across diverse platforms. Whether it's crafting engaging blog posts, thought-provoking articles, captivating social media content, or other forms of written communication, GPT-3 can help in creating material that resonates with specific target audiences. Earning through this avenue involves offering your writing services to clients who value content that aligns with their brand message and customer base. Copywriting. GPT-3's prowess in language manipulation can be harnessed to forge compelling and persuasive copy for a spectrum of marketing materials. This encompasses crafting attention-grabbing advertisements, crafting alluring product descriptions, formulating impactful email marketing campaigns, and producing other promotional content that influences consumer behavior. Tutoring or consulting. Leveraging GPT-3's expertise, you can provide tutoring or consulting services in subjects where you hold proficiency. Answering inquiries, offering explanations, and providing guidance can be seamlessly facilitated by GPT-3, thereby enhancing the quality of your services and enabling you to cater to a wider audience seeking insights and mentorship. Prototyping and idea generation. Startups and innovators stand to benefit from GPT-3's capacity to generate innovative ideas and prototypes for novel products, services, or projects. By collaborating with this AI, you can ideate and create concepts that have the potential to disrupt industries and address unmet needs in the market. Chatbot development. The development of interactive and dynamic chatbots is a burgeoning field, and integrating GPT-3 can be instrumental in creating sophisticated and efficient customer support solutions. Businesses are increasingly willing to invest in chatbot technology that streamlines customer interactions and enhances user experiences. Writing tools. Creating applications that meld GPT-3's capabilities with user-generated content can yield remarkable writing tools. These tools can guide users in refining their writing skills, improving grammar, and honing their unique writing style, leading to more polished and professional written output. Translation and localization. The potential for providing translation services or localizing content using GPT-3, particularly in languages you are proficient in, is a promising avenue. Catering to global audiences and aiding cross-cultural communication can be both financially rewarding and intellectually enriching. Gaming and entertainment. The immersive potential of GPT-3 extends to the realm of gaming and entertainment. By incorporating GPT-3 into game narratives, character interactions, and storytelling, you can create captivating experiences that captivate and engage players on unprecedented levels. Market research and analysis. GPT-3's capacity to synthesize insights and reports from vast datasets makes it a powerful tool for market research and analysis. Generating informed insights based on trends, user reviews, and data sources can assist businesses in making strategic decisions. Generated art and creativity. Pushing the boundaries of creative expression, GPT-3 can be a collaborator in generating unique art pieces, evocative poetry, resonant song lyrics, and other forms of creative content that blur the lines between human ingenuity and AI-assisted inspiration. Navigating these opportunities necessitates a strong commitment to ethical considerations. Ensuring the accuracy and appropriateness of generated content is paramount, as is transparency regarding the involvement of AI in the creative process. Furthermore, it is essential to be mindful that the utilization and commercialization of GPT-3 may be subject to the terms and conditions of the platform or API through which you access it. Always diligently review and adhere to these terms, in addition to complying with any legal requirements specific to your jurisdiction. As you explore the myriad possibilities of monetizing GPT-3, remember that adaptability and innovation are key to capitalizing on the ever-evolving landscape of AI and technology. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to support our content.